All right, everybody, we got a little opening here. See if we can make back. We spent about $21 on these 5 packs here. I've always been a fan of Yu-Gi-Oh, and I saw some of these, so I decided to pick up a couple of them. And I've just a lot of my friends are starting to get me into back into the Pokemon cards. So this is one of the newer sets. So we're gonna open them up and see if we get anything good. So we'll start with the Evolving Skies and work our way to the Yu-Gi-Oh! Dawn of Majesty. If I can get it to open. It doesn't want to open today. Alright, we got a Fletchling, Scraggy, ooh, I think we just revealed it on Energy. Ooh, not too bad. So we'll put those away and we'll go to the second pack. I don't know if it's just because I ain't got fingernails or what. They just don't want to open today. So, Wobbuffet, that was always one of my favorites back in the day. Ooh. Swablu. Stormy Mountains. Oh! That's not a bad one to pull right there. I'm not too familiar on the prices of Pokemon cards, so if I pull something really great or really bad, I apologize. I'm not meaning to, but I gotta learn what's good and what's not. So, not bad. That's not bad for our first foil card. All right, last pack of the Evolving Skies. There we have it. I'm gonna have to grab my fingernails out to grab these tougher to open packs. So, Funko, it's pretty cool looking. Carvana, Ossifer. And again, I'm sorry if I butcher these names, but like I said, I don't know a lot of the newer. You know, I'm a late 90s baby, so I grew up in the Indigo lead and all that. So, ooh, that's a little foil. I'm not exactly sure what it's worth. Oh man, that's awesome. I know that's one of the better cards in the entire set. Another Fire Roar. So that was a good little Pokemon open. We'll finish this off with the 2 Dawn of Majesty packs. You can hear my 2-year-old snoring in the back seat. But when it's nap time, it's nap time. So, Guncon, Shipyard, Seaside, Supper Spot. That's a tongue twister right there. I like the art on that. Displaying Tragedy. Ooh. Sacred Scrolls, which I know they have 1 foil per pack. So, Margin Training. All right. We'll see if we can make our money back. That's going to be the goal. Probably try to do an opening once a week to start out. Get a few packs. I'd say try to say some of these names, but I have no clue. Ooh. The Shrouded Dragon. That's pretty cool. The Starbonder. Ooh. Stardust Trail. I always liked that one too. I always thought it was a pretty good artwork. But all right. Well, we appreciate you, and we'll do this again next week.